Considerations for initial use. After installing the machine, connect the wire and pressure meter to connect the gas pipe, and ensure that the pressure display has the pressure value of 0.3 to 0.4 pm. Check the circuit to ensure that the measured voltage is the same as the machine voltage. Turn on the power switch and set the temperature T and rotational speed R. When the machine is used for the first time, the temperature needs to rise slowly to 80 degrees for the first time, and wait until the temperature rises to 80 degrees to see if the external fuel tank is full of oil. If the oil is full, stay for 20 minutes and then rise to 80 degrees and then stay for 13 minutes. In turn, 100 degrees, 110 degrees, 120 degrees, and then rise directly to 220 degrees, while until it heats up to 220 degrees, and stay at this temperature for 5 hours. The speed is usually setting R. Turn on the press switch while you are working. After the completion of the work, the normal shutdown machine, press the automatic shutdown. Watch until the machine temperature drops below 19 degrees before you can leave. If there is an emergency, press the stop button. The machine will stop right now. Check whether the padded paper shaft and the drawing paper shaft are right, and if not, rotate the left and right hand wheels and torque it to tighten the paper pulling shaft. When the machine heats up, check the PVC conveyor belt at the same time. Observe whether the PVC conveyor belt is out of the right way. If there is a left and right hand conveyor can be adjusted. PVC conveyor will slowly adjust the back and finally keep balance. Check if the working platform is flat and adjust the tooth pump under the platform if it is uneven. Maintenance. Always add lubricating oil to keep all bearings lubricated. Keep all electronic associates clean and free from dust. If there is a dust below a circuit board, add all fans with an air gun. If the machine has been in use for a few months, if you can't see the oil from the tank, you need to refuel. You can't add too much oil at a time, about 3 kilograms at a time, before you start up. Pour the oil into the tank and don't heat it up. Let it empty until the oil flows into the bottom of the tank below starting to heat up. And wait until the temperature reaches to see if there is any oil in the tank. If 3 kilograms of heat-conditioned oil is not added. In the use of the turbine reducer, pay attention to the instructions on the nameplate. After using it for a long time, there may be abnormal noise. The oil should be replaced frequently. The screws should be removed. The oil should be released clean, and the same amount of new oil should be replaced. Long high temperature operation may cause a small amount of oil leakage at the oil seam, which is very normal. So it is recommended to add oil frequently and replace the oil about 200 hours after working.